Welcome back to this series of videos about the 360 system. The 360 system is a unique set of devices on the market that consist of an autonomous self-contained LED lantern and a power bank or a smart bank. The heart of the system is our new MCL360 lantern. One of the great improvements of the 360 system is its performance. With the lantern in its largest model, the Model L, at divergence of 5 degrees and white LEDs, we achieve a stationary intensity of more than 2000 candela. We have opted for 3 battery capacities, ranging from 60 watts per hour to 400 watts per hour, in our largest model, the lantern Model L. The largest model has a battery of 34 amperes per hour. The MCL360 lantern has great autonomy, thanks to a high battery capacity and energy efficiency, reaching up to 700 hours of uninterrupted operation in the S Plus model. All these improvements give us more than 500 candelas in the Model S, more than 1000 candelas in the Model M, and more than 2000 candelas in the Model L. An OLED display that provides us information about the lantern and supports us in the configuration process. In addition, the beacon chassis itself helps us distinguish its color. The quick connectors are important in a modular and collaborative system. In this one, we have designed the quick connectors to share energy between different elements. All these elements are manufactured and designed to achieve an operating life of more than 10 years, using the highest quality materials. The LED diodes are of the latest generation and have more than 10,000 hours of life. It has high efficiency monocrystalline panels. The chassis is made of aluminum, and the lenses are acrylic of the highest quality. Both the base and the lens covers are made of Lexan. Remind you that the lantern is an element that can work independently and meet the needs of most applications. In case of very demanding applications, you can add the complement of the power bank or smart bank. Both elements have the usual configuration systems, Bluetooth and GPS synchronization and positioning, as standard. As optional accessories, we can add monitoring and remote control via radio, GSM network, satellite network, and eyes. We hope you found this video about our 360 system useful. Thank you very much for listening. See you in the next video.